Timothy Ray Brown was an American considered to be the first person cured of HIV/AIDS. Brown was called the Berlin patient at the 2008 conference on retroviruses and opportunistic infections, where his cure was first announced, in order to preserve his anonymity. He chose to come forward in 2010. "I didn't want to be the only person cured," he said. "I wanted to do what I could to make possible. My first step was releasing my name and image to the public." Timothy Ray Brown was born in Seattle, Washington, on March 11, 1966, and raised in the area by his single mother, Sharon, who worked for the King County Sheriff's Department. He journeyed across Europe as a young adult and was diagnosed with HIV in 1995 while studying in Berlin. In 2006, he was diagnosed with acute myeloid leukemia. On February 7, 2007, he underwent a procedure known as hematopoietic stem cell transplantation to treat leukemia. From 60 matching donors, they selected a 32 homozygous donor, an individual with 2 genetic copies of a rare variant of a cell surface receptor. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.